9 out of 10 car owners have no idea these simple hacks even exist. But, one of them could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in repairs. Before you spend money at the mechanic, here are 15 genius car hacks that can save you big. Let's begin. Hack number 15. Cut apple for windshield. If your windshield has a hazy film that just won't go away, try this. Cut an apple in half and rub the cut side over the glass. The natural acids help repel water and make dirt, debris, and bugs easier to remove. It is cheap, simple, and surprisingly effective. Hack number 14. Toothpaste for light paint scratches. For small surface scratches, whitening toothpaste can help. Wash and dry the area, apply a little toothpaste, and rub it in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Then wipe it clean. It will not fix deep scratches, but it can reduce or remove light ones for almost nothing. Hack number 13. Nail polish for paint chips. A tiny paint chip can turn into rust fast. Clear nail polish can seal the exposed metal and slow that damage. If you have colored nail polish that matches your car, you can use that too. It is a fast, cheap temporary fix that can prevent a bigger repair later. Hack number 12. WD-40 on door hinges. If your car door squeaks, just spray a little WD-40 on the hinges and open and close the door a few times. Then, wipe away the excess. It stops the noise quickly and honestly, might help you avoid worn hinge repairs down the road. Hack number 11. Olive oil for dashboard shine. So, if your dashboard looks dull and faded, just use a small amount of olive oil on a cloth and rub it in lightly. After that, wipe off the extra with a dry cloth. This helps restore moisture and shine without having to buy those expensive dashboard sprays. Hack number 10. Paintbrush or makeup brush for vents. Air vents collect dust in places a cloth just can't reach. A soft paintbrush or even an old makeup brush can clean those tight spaces fast. It also works really well around buttons, gear shifts, and those small crevices in your interior. Hack number 9. Cleaning slime for interior dirt. Sticky cleaning slime is perfect for picking up crumbs, dust, and grime from tight gaps around the dashboard and center console. Just press it into the cracks, then peel it away. It's cheap, reusable, and honestly, kind of oddly satisfying. Hack number 8. Vaseline on door seals. In cold weather, doors can freeze shut, and rubber seals can crack. A thin layer of Vaseline on the seals keeps them soft and flexible. It really helps prevent sticking, freezing, and expensive seal damage. Hack number 7. Change your cabin air filter yourself. If your AC is weak or the air smells musty, your cabin air filter may be dirty. In a lot of cars, it takes only a few minutes to replace. The filter is cheap, but mechanics often charge way more for the same quick job. Hack number 6. Color code engine components. Under the hood, things can get confusing fast, Use colored tape to label important fluids and parts so you always know what goes where. It really helps prevent costly mistakes and makes it easier for anyone else who works on the car. Hack number 5. Shoe organizer for storage. A hanging shoe organizer on the back of a seat can totally turn a messy car into an organized one. Use it for snacks, toys, wipes, water bottles, and road trip items. It keeps everything visible and easy to grab. Hack number 4. Pool noodle for garage protection. If your car door keeps hitting the garage wall, just cut a pool noodle in half and attach it to the wall at door height. The foam absorbs the impact and helps prevent dents, scratches, and paint damage. Alright, hack number 3 is the tennis ball parking guide. Just hang a tennis ball from your garage ceiling so that it touches your windshield when you're parked in the right spot. It gives you a super simple visual stop point and honestly helps you park perfectly every single time. Moving on, hack number 2 is all about using hand sanitizer for frozen locks. If your lock ever freezes in the winter, just put a little hand sanitizer on your key or right into the keyhole. The alcohol in it helps melt the ice really fast. It's such a simple trick, but it can totally save you from getting locked out in the cold. And finally, hack number 1. Using newspaper for removing those stubborn registration stickers. To get old stickers off your windshield, soak some newspaper in water and press it over the sticker for about 15 minutes. The moisture softens the adhesive, so the sticker peels off way easier, often without any scraping or sticky residue left behind. So, how many of these did you already know? Comment below and let me know which one totally shocked you the most. And hey, if any of these hacks saved you money, or just showed you that you can totally do this yourself, go ahead and hit subscribe for more money-saving car tips.